How to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To turn off the two-factor authentication on your Instagram, head over and check your Instagram app in your device. So once you are in here, make sure to log in into your Instagram account. At the bottom right corner, you will see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now from here, in your top right corner, you will see the three horizontal line. Tap on this given option. From here, check out Account Center. Under Account Settings, click on Password and Security. Here you will see the option of two-factor authentication. Click on the given option. Then select on your Instagram account. In your Instagram account, the two-factor authentication for mine is through SMS or WhatsApp. So if it is for you, tap on it. Then you will see this toggle button which you need to tap on it to turn it off. Here, for the confirmation, it will ask you just tap on turn off. Once you have clicked on the turn off, the two-factor authentication will no longer be activated on your Instagram account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.